are you presently?
I'm a doctor presently.
What are they presently?
They are students presently.
What is he presently?
He is a teacher presently.
What is she presently?
She's an actress presently.
What were you in the past?
I was a lawyer in the past.
What were they in the past?
They were chefs in the past.
What was he in the past?
He was a tailor in the past.
What was she in the past?
She was a teacher in the past.
What will you be in the future?
I will be a lawyer in the future.
What will they be in the future?
They will be actors in the future.
What will he be in the future?
He will be a trash collector.
What will she be in the future?
She will be a manager in the future.
Very good. She will be a manager in the
Manager in the
future.
future.
Where are you now?
I'm in KPHP now.
Where are they now?
They are in Chennai now.
Where is he now?
He is in USA now.
Where is she now?
She's in New Delhi now.
Where were you last night?
I was in Chennai last night.
Where were they last week?
They were in KPHP last week.
Where was he last month?
He was in New Delhi last month.
Where was he last year? ఆమె గత సంవత్సరం ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
She was in Dubai last month.
She was in Dubai
Last month.
last year.
Last year.
Where will you be tomorrow?
I will be in KPHP tomorrow.
Where will they be tomorrow?
They will be in institute tomorrow.
Where will he be tomorrow?
He will be in school tomorrow.
Where will she be tomorrow?
She will be in college tomorrow.
Very good. Next, why are you here now?
I am here to study.
Why are they here now?
They are here to learn.
Why is he in Hyderabad now?
He is in Hyderabad for a job interview.
He is in Hyderabad
For
for.
a job interview.
Why is she in London now? ఆమె ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు లండన్ లో ఉంది?
She is in London for a job interview.
Very good. Next, why were you here last night?
I was here last night for enjoying.
Very good. Why were they in Hyderabad last week?
They were in Hyderabad for a shoot.
Why was he in Hyderabad last month?
He was in Hyderabad for an interview.
Why was she in Dubai last year?
She was in Dubai for exploring.
Very good. Why will you be here tomorrow? రేపు ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ ఉంటావు?
I will be here to teach.
Why will they be there next week? వచ్చే వారం వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు అక్కడ ఉంటారు?
They will be there to learn English.
They will be there to learn English next week.
Next week.
Why will he be in Hyderabad next month?
He will be in Hyderabad next month for a job interview.
Why will she be in London next year?
She will be in London for next year for her school.
Who is with you now?
My father is with me now.
Who is with them now?
Their father is with them now.
Who is with him now?
His sister is with him now.
His sister is with him now. Who is with her now? అంటే ఎవరు ఆమెతో ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు?
Her classmate is with her now.
Who was with you last night?
My friend was with me last night.
Who was with them last week?
Hasni was with them last week.
Who was with her last month?
Akhil was with him last week.
Akhil was
With him
last week. Who was with her last year?
My father was with her last year.
With whom are you now? ఎవరితో నీవు ఉన్నావు?
I am with my professor now.
With whom are they now? వాళ్ళు ఎవరితో ఉన్నారు?
They are with their teachers now.
With whom is he now?
He is with his co-employee now.
With whom is she now?
She is with her grandparents
She
now.
is with her grandparents now. With whom were you last night?
I was with Hasni last night.
With whom were they last week?
They were with Akhil last week.
With whom was he last month?
She was with Ravi last year.
With whom was she last year?
She was with Akhil last year.
With whom will you be tomorrow? రేపు నువ్వు ఎవరితో ఉంటావు?
I will be with Hasni tomorrow.
With whom will they be tomorrow? రేపు వాళ్ళు ఎవరితో ఉంటారు?
They will be with Ramu tomorrow.
With whom will he be tomorrow?
He will be with Chintu tomorrow.
With whom will she be next week?
She will be with Varshita next week.
How are you now?
I am happy now.
How are they now?
They are greedy now.
How is he now?
He is happy now.
How is she now?
She is greedy now.
How are you last night?
I was happy last night.
How were they last week?
They were angry last week.
How was she last month?
She was happy last month.
How was he last year? గత సంవత్సరం వరకు ఎలా ఉన్నాడు?
He was joy at last month.
How will you be tomorrow?
I will be happy tomorrow.
How will they be tomorrow?
They will be angry tomorrow.
How will he be tomorrow?
He will be joyful tomorrow.
How will she be tomorrow?
She will be greedy tomorrow.
How is your friend now?
My friend is happy now.
How are your friends now?
My friends are greedy now.
How is their friend now?
Their friend is joyful now.
How are their friends now? వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు?
Their friends are happy now.
Their friends are
Happy now.
Very good. How is his friend now? అతని ఫ్రెండ్ ఎలా ఉన్నాడు?
His friend is joyful now.
How are his friends now? అతని ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
His friends are greedy now.
His friends are greedy now.
Greedy now.
How is her friend now? ఆమె ఫ్రెండ్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Her friend is joyful now.
How are her friends now? ఆమె ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Her friends are joyful
Her
now.
friends are
Joyful now.
How was your friend last week?
My friend was happy last week.
How were your friends last week?
My friends were greedy last week.
How was their friend last week?
Their friends are greedy last
Their
week.
friend was.
Was greedy last week.
How were their friends last month?
Their friends were so greedy.
How was his friend last year?
His friend was
His
so
friend was.
his friend was so happy.
How were his friends last month?
Their friends were delighted last month.
His friends were.
Delighted.
Very good. How is her friend now? ఆమె ఫ్రెండ్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Her friend is joyful now.
How are her friends now? ఆమె ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Her friends are joyful
Her
now.
friends are
Joyful now.
How was your friend last week?
My friend was happy last week.
How were your friends last week?
My friends were greedy last week.
How was their friend last week?
Their friends are greedy last
Their
week.
friend was.
Was greedy last week.
How were their friends last month?
Their friends were so greedy.